Hi friends, here we make a complaint app in which citizen can post a complaint like garbage dump, dead animal, etc. and corresponding nearby government corporation look into it and try to resolve it. So here is a quick demonstration of an app. Starting with a corporation. Assume that you are a government officer and you have assigned a corporation. Then if you have an app and already assigned corporation, then you can log in directly using registered email address and password. But if you are new, then click on the create account. After that you get a citizen sign up page, but we are looking for the registering for the corporation, so go to the bottom and click on the register corporation. So to register corporation you have to enter an admin key that corporation provides you. After entering a valid admin key you get a corporation sign up page. So to add new corporation, enter a username that will display on the citizen side at the time of choosing corporation. Enter the contact number, email address, password and security key, and select your area according to your country, state and district. So after successfully sign up, you get a citizen login page. So go to the bottom and click on login as corporation. So now you get a corporation login page. So enter registered email address, password and security key. So when you are trying to log in first time, it sends a verification email to your registered email address. So go to the Gmail and verify the email. So now your email has been verified. So go to the application and log in again. Now you get a page which has 3 parts, shows that status of the complaint that arrived at your corporation. Now you can see your profile by clicking on the profile button. Here you can edit your profile picture, username and contact information. And you can also set which type of complaint you can currently solve. At present, list is empty, but you can add new by clicking on the add button. Now assume you can able to solve one type of complaint currently, then add one. Suppose you can solve 3 types, then add 2 times. Now types of complaint you not solve. This field shows which type of complaint you are not able to solve at present. Here list is empty because we are able to solve all types of complaint at present. But if you remove from the above list, then it is visible here. Now again add it to the above list. So now going back to the view complaint page, here there is no pending complaint. List is visible here when citizen makes a complaint. So now we move to the citizen part, so log out from here. If citizen already has an account, then he can log in using registered email address and password. Otherwise he has to create a new account. For creating a new account, citizen has to enter username, mobile number, email address and password and then press the sign up. After you get a citizen login page, so log in using newly created email address and password. If you are logging in first time, then verify your email and log in again. So your email has been verified. So go back to the application and log in again. After successfully login, you get a post complaint page. We come back here after a while. So go to the profile by clicking on the profile button. Here you can edit your username and mobile number. You can also edit your profile picture. So now come back to the post complaint page. Here you can post a complaint. So first choose the area by choosing the country, state and the district. Then add description of the complaint and set the address of that place. Select the nearby corporation. If you remember that at the time of the registering corporation we enter a username as corporation 1, so select it and choose the complaint type. Add GPS location You are adding GPS location because so that place can be verified properly and fraud complaints can be eliminated. Add image of that place. So here image is visible. You can remove image from here also. Add image of that place and submit it. Now your complaint has been reached to the corporation. So by the history button you can see your past complaint. Here you can see we make a complaint recently. All are in the pending list. So let me do it 3 times for the sake of understanding. So now all our 3 complaints are in the pending list. So I am login as a corporation and try to resolve it. So now here we have 3 pending complaints. So start to resolve it one by one. So here we get a description and the image of that complaint. You can agree and disagree of that complaint. Click on the start solving pending complaints. Move to the on the job complaint. So now there is a one on the job complaint in that list. Now again do that. Now there is 2 on the job complaint. So after on the job complaint, move it to the resolve state. You can add description and or response to the resolved complaint. And you can also add the image of the work. Now post it. So this is a complaint and this is the response. So now all 3 states has one complaint. So one pending complaint, one on the job complaint and one resolved complaint. So it must be visible at the citizen side. So going back to the citizen side. So here you can see that you makes 3 complaints. Now after corporation resolve it, it move to the appropriate part according to its states. Here corporation completely resolved 1 complaint out of 3. So it is visible in the resolve part. Now I hope you understand how citizens' complaints can be served. You can also see complaints nearby you and you can also respond to that. To see complaints made nearby you, click on the nearby button. Then click on the near location. Select your country, state and the district. Choose which type of complaints you want to see. And select radius of the area and choose location. And finally press OK. So here you can see that there are 3 resolved complaints nearby my location. So that's all for now. I hope you will able to understand the demo and how to use it. So use this app, try to keep country clean. Thank you.